Hello and welcome to our channel. Today's topic is a concerning one: what would happen if all glaciers melted overnight? Glaciers are a crucial component of our planet's ecosystem, regulating the water cycle and providing fresh water to millions of people. But with global temperatures on the rise, glaciers are melting at an alarming rate. So, what would happen if they all disappeared overnight? Let's explore this topic and find out. Glaciers are important for a variety of reasons. One of their most important functions is as a natural storage system for fresh water. They collect and store water from precipitation and release it slowly over time, helping to regulate the flow of rivers and streams. This is especially important in regions where water is scarce, as many people rely on glacier-fed rivers for drinking water, irrigation, and hydroelectric power. If all glaciers were to melt overnight, the consequences would be catastrophic. For starters, the sudden influx of fresh water would overwhelm rivers and streams, causing widespread flooding and damage to infrastructure. This would be especially devastating in coastal areas, where sea levels would rise rapidly. The loss of glaciers would also have a profound impact on ecosystems. Many species of plants and animals have adapted to live in glacier-fed environments, and their habitats would be destroyed if the glaciers were to disappear. This could lead to a cascade of extinctions and a loss of biodiversity. In addition to the immediate impacts, the loss of glaciers would also have long-term consequences for our planet's water cycle. Without glaciers to regulate the flow of fresh water, we could see more frequent and severe droughts in some regions, while others could experience more intense rainfall and flooding. Another concern is the impact that melting glaciers would have on global temperatures. Glaciers reflect sunlight, helping to cool the planet. Without them, more sunlight would be absorbed by the Earth's surface, leading to higher temperatures and more rapid climate change. It's important to note that the loss of glaciers is not a hypothetical scenario, it's already happening. Glaciers around the world are melting at an alarming rate, and the consequences of their loss are already being felt in many areas. We need to take action to slow the rate of glacier melt and protect these crucial ecosystems. One way to do this is by reducing our greenhouse gas emissions. The burning of fossil fuels is the main contributor to climate change, and reducing our reliance on them is crucial if we want to slow the rate of glacier melt. We can also support conservation efforts to protect glaciers and the ecosystems that depend on them. The melting of all glaciers overnight would be catastrophic for our planet. The sudden influx of fresh water would cause widespread flooding and damage to infrastructure, while the loss of habitats would lead to a loss of biodiversity. The long-term impacts on our planet's water cycle and global temperatures would also be concerning. It's important that we take action to slow the rate of glacier melt and protect these crucial ecosystems. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.